everyone, welcome to English with Helen. Today we're talking about prepositions associated with time, and specifically these three prepositions here. Let's look at the first one. Come on Ted, bring it in. Thanks. At. We use this when we talk about clock times. At 8 o'clock, at 3:15. The next word is, let's wait for Ted. Come along. The next word is in. We use this when we want to talk about parts of the day. In the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening. And the third word, on. Thanks, Ted. Days of the week we use with on. On Wednesday, on Thursday. But remember, we always have exceptions to the rules in English. At the weekend. When we talk about longer periods of time, we use the preposition in. In 1996. In August. In the autumn. Ted! I think this has been a long period of time for Ted. Ted, wake up! Help me, come on, stay focused. Let's talk about in and during. You can see that in these sentences we can use both of them. But during we tend to use to talk about the whole period of time. During August would be for the whole month of August. Ted, I need your help here. My throat's getting a bit dry. Can you read these sentences for me?
In 3 or 4 days, in about 30 seconds, in a month's time, and in 3 weeks.
We use in to talk about how soon something will happen or how long something will take. What, Ted?
I usually take a nap at this time.
You're using the at correctly in a sentence there, but you're right. It's time for us to go. Thanks everyone. Bye.